This is Percy Phillips, who's in court today for retaliating against a witness.
He threatened the police officer who testified against him.
As per reports, Phillips acted out against a witness inside a courtroom in a previous trial. Now, a hearing was underway to determine whether the 45-year-old was competent to stand trial. His lawyer argued that it was impossible for him to mount a defense for Phillips since he wouldn't talk.
Mr. Phillips is presently incompetent to stand trial. If we end up in trial, there is no way I can competently even frame a defense. I have asked Mr. Phillips, what do you want me to say or do at your trial? And he won't tell me. He literally, for years, has not said a word.
He even predicted what was to follow later in this courtroom.
Mr. Phillips has shared that he doesn't know exactly what he'll do in certain situations in the courtroom. He thinks he just may explode.
Then, while the prosecutor was making his argument, something unexpected happened.
Your Honor, it's interesting to remember that the conclusion of the case, when the defendant was unhappy with the verdict and unhappy with the sentence, he threatened the police officer who testified against him.
Phillips, who until that moment had shown no emotion, suddenly snapped.
David 16 to 239. I had to stun Percy Phillips. You want to come on up?
Phillips was later deemed incompetent, and the case was dismissed.